let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, and quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, and quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with 2 tango walks forward, curved slightly to left. We continue with open telemark. Notice ladies heel turn. We dance passing natural turn and follow with back whisk into corner. From here we dance natural promenade turn to rock turn, starting from step number 2. We finish with reverse pivot and continue with basic reverse turn, syncopated timing, and then follow by reverse and slip pivot. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing line of dance, 2 walks down line of dance. We continue with open telemark, which we finish diagonally to wall in same direction, passing natural turn into corner with back whisk. Then down line of dance, we continue with natural promenade turn to rock turn. We finish backing diagonally to center, reverse pivot, facing diagonally to center. We move with basic reverse turn and continue with follow by reverse slip pivot diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.